Hello all, this is Raj Misa. So I'm doing this video intentionally for our 1 crore coaching family. So this is from one of the coaches, Ravindra ji, who is into mindfulness and who is into meditation, yoga, breath. So this is what he says. What are you thinking right now? Ask this question to you. What am I thinking right now? I just wanted to do this video intentionally. So reflect on this question. What is your answer? Yes. Are you thinking about yourself, your home, your soulmates, your children, your job, or anything else? Now see what is happening to your thought process. How fast is your thinking from one branch to other thing? From one thing to another thing? Without any awareness. Understand, we are thinking endlessly without taking any care of our own thoughts. So if you can answer what we are thinking, and if you cannot answer what we are thinking right now, this is the time to reflect on yourself. As a human being, as an individual, and how many tensions and worries we are going through. We are creating on ourselves due to these thoughts. We can understand how scattered our thoughts are. Qualities of our thoughts are the good or bad. Are they helpful to you or your family, or is it destructive to you or to other people? So this is very important. When we take care of our own thoughts, if you wanted to take care of your own thoughts, the clarity of your thought is very important. This is very simple exercise I would like to suggest you to take on. Take 10 to 15 minutes for yourself, switch off your mobile phones, sit in a quiet place where no one can disturb you. Do this on a regular basis at home or office or anywhere else, whichever you like. And for the next 15 minutes, your thought process would be different. So what are you thinking right now without doing anything? You may close your eyes, sit on a chair, or relax on a sofa or a bed. Just relax legs on the ground. So just relax your whole body and take care of your thoughts. Just aware of your thinking. Become aware of your thinking. I'm doing this simple 50-minute exercise. What is your experience, feeling, or thinking? Write to me. Well, I just wanted to write it to pasadika mindfulness@gmail.com. I'll send you this video. In fact, what we call this is the body scanning. I do this with videos because when you hit record, you can't think about past, you can't think about future. You don't worry about the past, there's no anxiety about the future. You have to live in the present moment. There's no way that you're conscious about recording and thinking. Probably you can go down the memory line, or you can try and see how the future looks like. So my only question to you is, do the mindfulness body scanning. Become aware of your thoughts. There is this mind chatter which goes all the time. Chuck, 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 chuck. When you're silent, as you are, I don't know how many of you will watch this complete video, but the only way to stop the mind chatter is when you hit the grave. You can't stop the voice, the little voice which we call. I've been through Landmark Forum, I've been through lots of trainings, probably hundreds of trainings in the last 20 years. So the only way to stop this little voice is when you hit the grave. We're all heading to one destination. Nobody is going to escape. Nobody had escaped this one destination, which is the graveyard. So live your life to the fullest. Live your life with lots of energy. Start publishing your videos. I'll publish this vertical video, which is again through IGTV live streaming. So I strongly recommend you to go ahead and take that action. Live your videos, breathe your videos, and I'll wait to see your content. I'll be very much open to accept any kind of comments through videos. Okay, signing off, Raj Misa. Take care. Goodbye.